Hey everyone, what's going on? Greg here again from Team Blast. So you can use SEMrush to find great keywords to go after for your local SEO campaign, but you can actually take it a step further. I'm going to show you how. So I'm in the keyword magic tool, and the keyword that I'm using is HVAC. Now, when you do this by default, you're going to get all the information over here. On the left-hand side, you have by number and also by volume. You can toggle those two together, but what I like to really do is go into the advanced filter section over here. Next, you want to click on SERP features. You want to scroll all the way down until you see something that says the local pack. You're going to check that off and you're going to hit apply. So really what I'm doing over here is saying only include keywords that typically will trigger the Google map pack. So for example, with HVAC, HVAC installation, HVAC repair, HVAC near me, HVAC repair near me, HVAC installation near me. This is all actually really helpful. Let's pretend though that I'm building a campaign for maintenance, So on the left-hand side over here, you can actually click on this. And it's going to actually now refresh SEMrush to show HVAC maintenance keywords that would trigger the map pack. So hypothetically, what you could do over here is HVAC maintenance near me. Now, obviously, click on the open SERP. It's going to give you a cache version for the United States. So like this isn't extremely helpful, but this will give you an idea of, let's say if you're in Seattle, Washington, or if you're in Chicago, Illinois, you can get an idea of, okay, if you were generally in those areas, you search for HVAC maintenance near me, the map pack should show up at the very top, which is ultimately where you want your business to be. Again, that's what's going to get the most impressions, website clicks, schedule buttons if you have that booking feature, phone calls, website visitors, and also potential form fills and leads for your business. So what you really can do is this. Scroll over on the left-hand side, and then you can actually check off this box, and you can have all the keywords around maintenance. So you have near, service, commercial, system, and it keeps going down and down and down and down. Inspections, another one too. The reason why I really like this is that when we're thinking about our keyword universe for our local campaigns or our strategy, we might have a generic HVAC page on our website. But if we had something around maintenance, for example, you can really niche down under that. So maintenance is really something like, maybe a homeowner or a commercial unit will have regular maintenance for their HVAC system, make sure everything is working really well. But we all know that, if you call an HVAC company to come over and they do regular maintenance, they actually might come across something that might be more important to fix either now or down the road. So again, if you're an HVAC company, obviously you might want HVAC installation because that's a big, money-making service or repair. You might overlook maintenance because you're saying, oh, like generally, like someone comes over for like an hour of their time, and maybe you bill them at $160 an hour. It's not the biggest service. Instead, think of it like this: somebody who's a homeowner, searches for HVAC maintenance near me. They come across your listing, you come over, you review it, you actually find out that there's a lot of water damage within their HVAC unit. They actually should be replaced, pretty soon. All of a sudden, that project that was around $160 potentially could turn into something like, $15,000 because changing out the whole HVAC is labor intensive. There's a lot of parts. It's a really big project, actually. So I encourage you to use SEMrush, go to the keyword magic tool. Obviously, that's step one. But don't forget about going to the advanced filter section over here. Go to SERP features, check off local pack because that's what you ultimately want to be looking at for keywords for the Google business profile. And then on the left-hand side, you can sort by contractor, install, company, supply, maintenance, etc. These are all keywords you can go after so you can get more impressions for your business and ultimately more leads. Anyway, thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for the next one.